Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am here to share with you a haul that I received from PandaHall Select. Now, I will have, of course, their website in the description box. I will have the product links and also a coupon code. So the coupon code is 10% off of your order. And this is PandaHall Selected, okay? So when I got this package, um, it was wrapped so good and lots of bubble wrap and tape, and it was secure, okay? But I did take everything out of the package and the bubble wrap. So I am going to just share with you a few things that I received. um so the first thing, we'll start with this bag. Turn this light down a little bit, that's a little bright. Sorry for the glare, but I'm going to take this out. There is the product there. And, but like I said, I will have it all linked. So these are, I call them little feet. And this is how they look. If I can get it in my hand like this. Okay. And then you could use this on, let me find something. So if you're making like a little, a little box, a little gift box or a little treasure box. This is just a house box that I had sitting close by. So what you would do, if you wanted to lift it up, you would put these feet on there like this. Now, you can use this on wood, of course, and us crafters, we do use it on our paper projects. It comes with the little screws here. Now, of course, you would use this on the wood, but you can just glue this on your paper projects, or you could probably use a little brad if you wanted to do that. So lots of ways that you could use these. So you see how this would look if you had feet on the bottom. So really nice. And it looks like I had got 2 of these, but I'm going to leave these right there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 20. So there's 20 there. And let's see what is in this one. Let's see how different they are. And then these right here come in a case. Okay. So these do look like they're a little bit different. Let's see. So in these, they're 30. 30 of these, and you get the screws. So these look like this, which is very similar, okay? These are more of a bronze, and these are more of the gold. And these on this side where you get the, how many did I say? $20. These feel a little more heavier than these. So when you go to the links, then you'll know that the 20-piece one is a little bit heavier than the 30-piece. And this is bronze and this is gold. Now, they may have gold in these. They may have bronze in these. I'm not sure. You'll just have to go to the site and see. So maybe that's might be why I got 2 different ones for the colors. So that is those 2. I'll put those up in a minute. And then the next thing I got was this here. And upside down, that is the number. And this is like little, I think they're glass little globe charms. And look how nice the container is. So this is how it comes in the container. And then you screw the lid off. And look at, and look at all of these. Oh, they are so cute. Look at these. How adorable. How adorable. So these have little, looks like pink, blue, and purple stars. And this is like green, little gems, little diamonds in there. And this is little white iridescent stars. And these are little red hearts. So this is these are like a rose gold little diamonds. This is like little holographic hearts. But there is, look at all of those in that bag. So that is what is in there. I'm trying to see if I can see how many. It just says one box. So it don't tell me exactly how many is in here, but as you can tell, it is a lot. So I'm going to. Oh, look at this colorful. Oh, that is so springy Easter looking. Look. So cute, little colored stars with the pink, yellow, and the green. Okay, so that is that one. And then we have this here. And this is a bead box. And this thing is heavy, okay? Sit that right there. Oh, I knew something was funny. I got something up under there. Yeah, my craft desk is a mess. I think it stays a mess. But... So we're going to open this. This bead box here alone was wrapped in the bubble wrap itself. Take this off. I might just have to tear that off. So here is this bead box. It is huge. 24. So 24 places. And as you can see, I believe we have, this is probably 10 millimeter, this row here. This row right here is probably 8 millimeter, and then you have your 6 millimeter beads. And these are like the glass, kind of, what do you call it? The crackle beads. Let's just get a few out in different sizes and colors. So you can see the sizes there. But it is a, I don't know why my camera. So you can see the variety in all of these beads. And it is a lot of beads. That is a lot of beads. And I don't think it was that expensive. So that is the bead box. I'll just leave that open so y'all can see all them pretty colors. And then the next thing is this here. And I can't remember. So we're going to figure out what this is together. But see how they just wrap each individual thing up? Really, really nice. And then it has one of these pull to open type deals. Box. It's another box of something. Oh, some beads, some clear beads. Nice container. Oh, look, it's got the little sponge to protect the, because these are, I believe these are glass beads. Look how pretty. Wouldn't that be pretty on a Christmas project? Winter project. Oh, so pretty. So that is that. That is nice. That is really nice. I'm loving the containers. Look at that. Really nice. Really nice. And then I have this here. Comes like this. Sorry for that glare. And I believe this is like adhesive, like I believe it has an adhesive back. So I'm going to pull it out of the box. See how they just double package everything? That is really nice. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to pull one out because I believe they're all the same. So this is the back color. And then this is the front. That is kind of like a blush pink. And that's the back. But it's like a, feels like a little crushed velvet. Let's see if I can get one up here. I think that camera's going to act up. You can kind of see it there a little bit. But it feels like a little crushed velvet. So that is nice. And look how many you get in this pack. So that is nice. Let's see. And then, yep, it peels. Feels like it sticks pretty good. Yep. So this would be great to use for backgrounds and stuff. So really nice. So that is that. A whole pack of them. I don't know how many is in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. So I counted 20 of those in that pack. So that was that. And then the last thing was this kit here. And when I picked this kit out, there it is there. I don't think I remember it having this board with it, but I guess it did. Maybe I just overlooked it. And this came, and it was packaged between 2 pieces of cardboard, and then wrapped in bubble wrap. So to protect this board here, because this board is, you know, just this kind of plastic here. So and look, not a dent anywhere. So they packaged it really nice. So I appreciate that. So everything that comes in this kit is you get this string right here to make some bracelets. So there it is there. And it looks really thick, really nice. Okay. So that is that. You get these 2 pieces of a tool set. No, it's 3 pieces. Oh, look at that. So it's 3 tools. These are just flats. Oh, and I like these because, let's see if it'll focus. It don't have those grooves like a regular pair of pliers. So that's nice. This right here is, you know, to wrap your eye pins, you know, for your bead wrapping. And then this is your little cutter. So that's to cut your wire or your little eye pins if it's too long. So that's the cutter. So that's a nice little 3-piece set. Oh, and here is some wire. Okay. So this is the stretchy string, and this is the wire. Here. So that is a whole row of wire. Nice. And then here is some little kits. So you got these jump rings there. Those are bigger. They look like they're maybe 8mm. And then these here looks like, is that a mixture? Let me look at it. They may be 6mm in this one. Here is some chain. These may be crimping beads. Here is some little clamps. What do you call those things? It's not, I don't think it's toggles, but for the bracelet making. Here is some eye pins and head pins. So you get one with the loop and then one that's flat. You get those 2. Here is some lobster clasp. Here is some more little, I don't know what you call these, but you close the ends together with that. And then here is some another little end pieces that's got the little hole. So this is a nice kit. I mean, this is a great starter kit to get you going with your jewelry making. So that is really nice. So that is everything from the PandaHall Selected. I will have everything in the description box along with a 10% coupon code. So make sure you go check out the PandaHall Selected. And the Selected is like a whole different section of the PandaHall, if that makes sense. But I will have that website, the link to that website. So you just have to click it. And that's it, you guys. And I will be back with some project shares. And I thank you all for watching. And yeah, so let me know what you think about the kit. Which items do you like the best? And what do you suggest that I create with these? What would you want to see? Just let me know in the comments. And I thank you all for watching again. And I will see y'all in the next video.